Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Leatherman Raptor here with me for a review. Let's check it out. A really quick unboxing over here. That's basically the content of the box and this emergency user guide, which is going to give you some nice hints on how to fully use this pretty cool and interesting tool. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's check this out. What is this? This is the Leatherman Raptor. So it comes like that, with this belt holster, which is you can decide at which angle you want to secure it, and then just tighten this screw right over here and it's gonna stay securely in place. Nice hard plastic. It has cutout kind of thing over here for your pocket clip, or you can just ditch this and just use this in your pocket like that for a faster deployment. So basically these are folding scissors and they are very interesting. Look at this. Let's check the size, because these are kind of like 8-inch overall length with a cutting edge of 2.5 inches. There are 6 tools scattered around this set of scissors right over here. So of course you have your 420HC stainless steel folding shears kind of deal going on. These are pretty thick, by the way, which is right over here. Of course, in the closed position, you're gonna have another pretty interesting tool which is deployable from this side, and this is the strap cutter. So it has like a liner lock kind of thing, and then you just unlock it like that and you can fold it back in the store position. But it's kind of interesting because you're gonna have a nice grip and you just can cut your strap or your safety belt or anything you need like to pull and cut, because this is a pretty sharp edge for sure. Also, there's something really interesting, which is this guy over here. This is a ring cutter. So basically you just put it like that, like underneath the ring, and then just chop it like that. So that's going to be pretty useful in some emergency situation, like for sure. Another really interesting tool, of course, is the ruler, kind of like 5 centimeters right over here, nothing on the other side. Basically, these are 2 inches almost, and it's cool because you can measure something, like put it like there, like in this position, and then just measure how much you're gonna be wanting to cut. Another really cool tool, it's this guy over here, which is the oxygen tank wrench, and it's just right over here. So you can deploy this tool like this and just use it like that. So very cool indeed. And lastly, you've got your carbide glass breaker, which is right over here. Nice reinforced tip. Just hold it like that and you're gonna be able to smash any kind of glass, I suppose, to rescue people from a car accident or something like that. Like in an emergency situation, you can definitely make some use of this glass breaker. Of course, the main tool here are the shears, nice oversized scissors, really robustly built, nicely done, really sharp, I have to say, and they are pretty robust. Look at the thickness of the stock employed over here. This is kind of like 1/2 centimeter. It's pretty thick. They're pretty robust indeed. Also, what is very cool over here, guys, is the folding mechanism. So basically you start like in this kind of position, like over here, and you can just hold onto these loops and just fan them out like that, and it's gonna securely lock in place because you've got 2 locks over here, one over here, one over here. So same thing goes to store the shears. You just press down this button, which is gonna allow this this part to rotate like that. You fold them around, same thing, just press this down, fold that, and they're done. So they can go either back in the holster or just right into the pocket, taking advantage of this pretty springy pocket clip right over here. They're nicely compact, guys. Just to give you an idea of the size, this is a Leatherman Surge, all right? Let's do like this. So they're pretty compact overall. This is, for example, like Leatherman Charge TTI. So you can clearly see that this is still a doable size overall, because once you deploy these, look at that. So that's the size. Look at this. So very, very compact engineering going on. And also what is really cool is the angle, because you can see there's like clearly an angle that is going on. And this is done so you can actually go and cut things that are flush to the ground. So if this would have been like straight like that, you would have needed much more clearance. Whereas like with this kind of angle, you can easily go underneath things and just cut to release anything basically in a kind of uncomfortable situation. So really, really nice design going on. You have some nylon wrapping around these loops, so it's going to be nice and comfortable and not sharp like to your for your fingers. The overall build quality is very nice, I have to say. These guys are running around like $80, so not the cheapest set of shears for sure, but there's a lot of engineering going on, guys, over here. They're nicely built. They feel really robust. They look kind of badass too. So overall, I'm impressed. I can definitely recommend this set of scissors shears, especially for like a first responder or somebody that is working in a kind of environment where some emergency can be faced. And if you have these kind of tools, you can actually do quite some very good things in those kinds of situations. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.